and I are gonna have a burp contest. You go first. My turn. My turn. Get closer.
I can't see. Hey. Hi. My name is John.
You guys are gonna vote to see who's the best after this. Just comment on it. And if you're wondering about our big burps, it's from Hggsrgjnfd, kind of backwards. See?
Move.
A rose. Your turn.
I need to go get another soda. We'll be right back, people.
Finish this. See. What happened to my face? Ah! Just kidding.
Ow.
I'll open it.
It didn't explode. I need to go pee, people. That's funny. I need to go pee, people.
That was nothing.
Ha ha. Let's go my cards, people. Move. I'm the pro.
No, I'm the pro.
I
I burped like 10 times louder than you, like 5 times.
Peter, I have another soda in my hand.
This is your last burp. Yeah, it is.
That was juicy.
Oh my god, I think I'm gonna barf.